Today's mindfulness exercise is identifying self-judgment and cultivating self-compassion. Self-judgment and self-criticism can become deeply ingrained thought patterns, oftentimes operating unnoticed in the background of our minds. Many of us carry conditioning that negatively impacts how we view ourselves. And it's only when we pause to listen that we begin to recognize the ways in which we speak to ourselves, or how often we treat ourselves unkindly. Like improving our physical health, addressing self-judgment starts with awareness. It's important to acknowledge how this habit contributes to our suffering without adding a layer of judgment about the judgment itself. Keep in mind, self-compassion is a skill, one we develop with practice and patience. This meditation is designed to help us identify self-judgment and gently bring self-compassion into our experience. We'll begin by settling into a comfortable position, allowing your eyes to do what feels most natural for minimizing distraction. This might mean closing your eyes, letting them rest half open, or softening your gaze toward the ground. Take a moment to find a comfortable posture that supports awareness. Now, tune into your breathing. Notice the rhythm and sensation of your breath as it anchors you to the present moment. What is happening right here and now? Observe where you feel your breath most prominently. Is it in your chest, your throat, or perhaps the nose? If your breath feels shallow, gently explore what it feels like to deepen it. There's no need to force it. Just be curious, allowing the air to fill the bottom of your lungs, feeling the rise of your chest and stomach, and then gently releasing the air, experiencing the deflating of your stomach and chest. Notice any sensations or emotions that arise as you deepen your breath. Acknowledge them. Acknowledge them without trying to change or fix anything. Just let them be. As your breath deepens, you might notice thoughts, sensations, or emotions coming to the surface. If thoughts arise, don't make them wrong. Simply label them as thoughts and let them pass. If you experience emotions, allow them to be present without resistance. Keep in mind that feeling nothing is also a valid experience. Feeling nothing is still feeling something. Whatever arises, observe it with gentle curiosity. Notice if there are voices of self-criticism or self-blame. Are you telling yourself you should be feeling differently, or that you're not doing this right? Observe these thoughts and don't make them wrong. Simply acknowledge these thoughts without judgment. Now shift your focus to your body. What physical sensations do you notice? Perhaps there's tightness in your shoulders, a flutter in your throat, or perhaps numbness. Simply witness these sensations as they are. Imagine your thoughts as just the tip of an iceberg, with the emotions lying just beneath the surface. What emotions might be supporting those thoughts? Is it anxiety or fear? Perhaps grief or anger? Label these emotions gently without making them wrong. Recognize them as part of the human experience. Once you've identified these emotions, see if you can offer them compassion. Place your hand over your heart or stomach, wherever feels comforting for you. Place your other hand on top and just feel the warmth of your touch and the care it conveys. As you breathe, imagine directing kindness towards yourself. Repeat these phrases quietly. It's okay. You're doing your best. I'm here for you. Speak to yourself as you would a beloved friend or a child in need of comfort. Keep your hands over your heart, or perhaps wrap your arms around your body, providing yourself a warm embrace. Whatever feels most comforting for you. You're providing yourself that further reassurance. Remind yourself that everyone is doing their best, including you. While self-criticism might seem like a way to motivate or protect yourself, it often deepens suffering. By noticing and transforming self-critical thoughts, you can cultivate a healthier, more compassionate relationship with yourself. Over time, this practice helps you recognize your inherent worthiness of love, your worthiness of acceptance, and your worthiness of encouragement. Take a moment here to notice how you feel now compared to when we first started this exercise. What has shifted within you? As we bring this exercise to a close, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to care for your well-being. Remember, you can always come back to this exercise when needed. Take a deep breath in and out. Another deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. And then releasing the air slowly as you breathe out. Slowly begin to open your eyes, looking around the room, bringing yourself back to this moment, reconnecting with the surface beneath you. And when you're ready, return to your day.